still here in the north of Norway, and we've been super bored in isolation, as with most of the world. If you want to see how bored, check out our previous video. If there's one thing that the north of Norway has, it's snow. And just over there is a hill. So we're going to strap on our boards and try snowboarding down today. The best and worst part of snowboarding down a hill is that you have to climb up. I know that a lot of people are trying to find a way to get incidental exercise or exercise at home, and we're pretty lucky to have this, but it's still hard work. And this chair lifts. Super fun. Anyway, I think I'm done.